this is Lunatic Lizard here! Okay, so, me and my friend were playing, and I got some dogs, okay? And I'm gonna tell you what dogs are good for. They don't scare away creepers, cats do, but they will attack anything except for creepers that you hit, an animal, anything. And that will be good use. Now, let me just empty out my pockets. So I want to keep that. I am going to do what you call making a doghouse. And I'm going to use a few things. First, let me go to my storage room. To put all of my materials in, because I won't be needing any of them, except for a few things. Okay, now that I've emptied out my pockets, I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to smelt cactus. Now the reason why you want to do that is because it makes dye. I'm going to go over here, going to go up to spruce wood. I'm going to make about a stack or so. Exactly, like I said, about a stack or so. I'm going to go over to decorations, go over here, and make orange dye, as well as yellow. Now you have to left trigger to do it, as well. If you're playing on, I like to call PlayStation 3, basically. And I'm going to go back to decorations, and I'm going to make 6 signs, although I don't need 6. I just need 4, because I got 4 dogs. Now, one will be red, one will be orange, one will be green, and one will be yellow, as you can see by the color of their collars. Now, a lot of people don't bother with doing that, but I will. I need leather, don't I? Do I have any leather? No, looks like I'm going to have to go out and kill some cows. Do I like killing cows? No. No, I do. But I will go into here and grab sticks so I can make a picture frame as soon as I kill a cow. Now, like I said about mushrooms, you want to keep them. You don't want to kill them. And that's one of the main things that people do, is they kill mushrooms because they do give a lot of leather sometimes. But you don't want to be just going on a killing spree with mushrooms. Trust me. Now see, I can see 3 cows. Probably going to be making some steak after this for any type of food that I might need. I want to put this in here. I have a little over a stack, probably. Yeah, a little over a stack of wood. Spruce planks, actually. Which I'm going to build my which I am going to build my doghouse out of. And to be honest, I keep talking about a few things like you shouldn't get dogs and stuff. You are probably wondering, well, if I shouldn't get dogs, why are you getting dogs? Funny story. I kind of love dogs. My favorite animal, kind of. I have a few of my own. And I think that they're really cool, they're playful, and I love them. So basically, I'm always gonna gather like dogs or something. Minecraft. One world, I just keep giving myself bones so I can basically keep getting dogs. I've killed every animal in the game basically so I can have just dogs. So, as you can tell, obviously, that means I am not psycho. I just like dogs more than any animal. Now I keep having to sleep because I keep going through day. I'm not sure how many times I've slept just playing this a few seconds ago. I still have to name my dogs. I'll name 3 girls and 1 boy. Chloe, Daisy, Maddie, and Peter. Chloe, Daisy, Buddy, and Peter. Okay, so, I'm gonna just open this up. I'm gonna make Nope, I still need to make a few stairs. Make it 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So I ran out of spruce. Looks like another trip back to grab spruce. Grab my axe. And I'm probably gonna be having to make a new axe soon. where's a good area I can get some spruce? Oh, over there. Spruce is the wood you find in a snowy, big jump, biome. And that would be straight over here. It's also where you find dogs. And this one seems to be going mad. Wait, what? Whoa, whoa, doggy, doggy, whoa. I'm just gonna back away now. Okay. Just updated this game. I haven't seen everything in it. In the next video that I will be making, I will basically have finished cutting down trees, and have finished my dog house, basically. And then I will be naming my, dogs. And, yeah. So as soon as I get to land, I'm gonna say a few things and we'll be it. Off. I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all later.